wasn't that scary. Let's go home. Let's go home. Welcome everyone to our YouTube channel. So today it was our last day of school. How do you feel about the last day of school today?
Just fine, and it was exciting that it's the last day of school, and yeah, it's like you finally grown up now. So I wouldn't say that,
Yeah, for me I was kind of neutral about it, but it only sinked in like after our last paper, which was Afrikaans paper 3. Like I'm like, yo, I'm not more seeing these people anymore, which obviously I'm happy about. I don't want to see most of the people from our school if I can. But yeah, thank you for like subscribing to our YouTube channel. Tori has been always updating me saying that our YouTube channel's even growing, even though we haven't posted in like so much months. But we do promise that we'll be posting regularly now on December, once a week on our YouTube channel this whole December. And
yes, and there is really big things coming soon, so just make sure to keep up to date, follow all of our Instagrams at mphuthi.twins and motivational twins. So before we heading back to the video, just make sure to
and also we'll also be creating a TikTok account for both for mphuthi.twins. And we're also going to be creating our own individual Instagram accounts, but don't expect it immediately because I wanted to be first prepared for that first before we do that. And also before we get into the video, you will also see our friends that have also have their opinions on their last day of school and they messaged to us and all of that. That was very heartwarming. And
and also spending the day with our friends for the very last time will also be coming after that video.
At the Grove Mall, we're gonna be also putting that.
And so
please remember to like, comment and subscribe
and hit that notification bell also,
and also look at our Instagram page. And thank you. Let's head into the video. Bye. This is Hillary.
Hi.
How do you feel about the last day of school?
Actually good. It's the last time we ever going to be at school, and I'm really happy, and I'm also going to miss my friends because they really made a huge impact in school. But I'm just saying I can't wait to hit school and
Hillary.
I don't know what to say. I'm just glad the sun is shining. I really see guys so nice here, so talking about how you guys are different, and that's why I like you guys. And just wishing you all the best in the coming years. Maybe one day somewhere we can.
Darling.
So this school just made us 4 years of our life here in the same place. It's contributed to us who we are. So we contributed to, and we will. I'll remember you when I look through my phone. I'll remember you. Remember me. Be happy. Be safe.
And don't delete our numbers also.
I will.
Don't.
We'll stay friends forever.
Yes. But then for that to happen, you guys must talk to each other. You must still communicate.
And don't be boring. When I say hey, don't say hey. I'm fine. What am I supposed to say?
Oh, probably we should call, because talking on WhatsApp is not really nice. Video calls, guys, that would be nice.
Invasion of privacy. What if I'm looking bold? Video call is an invasion. Anyways, I just want to say thank you guys for being my friends. I'm alone now. So I just want to say thank you for always being there for me.
I want to say I am yeah, I'm happy that I have this group because I don't know, you guys are always there for us and you can say your own, like the things that you're not comfortable with or whatever. And I'm also happy that this group doesn't fight or anything like that. I'm really happy about that. We haven't fought about anything. Yeah, I have disagreements and all those things. But yeah.
Yes. Yeah, but I wish everyone the best, like for the future and everything, and just like yeah, and everything, like everything you ever wanted in life.
And you're all successful.
And don't compare yourself to other people, and just remember this.
And also, Hilary, thank you for also helping us academically. Also,
Yeah. She's so sweet. She's not selfish,
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are on an outing with our friend Dari and Chinoa. We're still waiting for her. So today we're gonna go ice skating, the carnival, and what else are we doing?
And also just go around. And just walk around and it's our last time together. So
Look at Garn, she looks so And Garn also has a YouTube
channel. Yes.
yeah.
Say your name.
Oh, okay. It's Darren Harold. You must just put it changed to my full name.
Yeah.
It's about like hair, makeup, beauty, anything for teenagers and stuff like that. So yeah. And also talking. Just I sit and talk sometimes. So you can, if you want that, you can see that.
Okay.
Instagram design. $600.
600 for that.
But it has been all over Instagram. Like
I'll never buy that. No ways. The black one looks nicer.
it's like those carpets.
Oh, it's expensive because of the material. It's very.
And your best will be out. This one will just have. Who takes this and then go and take pictures outside and then that's what allows the people water.
Ooh. I like. Oh, these are the things that you wanted. These are hand jewelry. Yo, people can really make their hands look really nice.
Nice. Oh yeah, the sign of peace. The yin and yang.
How are you? It's fine. You look so cute.
Thank you too.
Yeah.
No.
This is very nice. Take a gift with the boomerang. Wow. Wow. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, this one. This is very nice. No one must buy this. It will look nice on you. It will look nice.
Me too. Come back here.
Yeah. But like things, no.
I don't have pictures.
No, not true.
We wish Shano was today. She's so scared of the camera. I don't even know why.
Oh my god, guys.
Oh! Sorry.
Yeah, let's go. Take me and Hannah.
Where's Shanoa? Darling, where's Shanoa? So I'm putting it back now. I want to also skate. Where's Shanoa?
Okay, let me just do this. I want to see him jump. Why is he not jumping?
Hi, Kitty.
Okay, let me. Hello, Shanoa. Shanoa, we're going to eat now. The next thing they're going to steal it. Isn't it right? This is really expensive.
You haven't anything.
Crazy. I have been over there.
Oh, we can definitely do this.
Keep your arms away from the doors and remain seated at all times.
What is it?
We chase each other down the road to something new. No, we won't ever stop.